Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Sometimes it's not your height that makes you look shorter, it's your outfit choices. The wrong cuts, shapes, and proportions can throw off your entire look without you even realizing it. In this video, we'll uncover 10 common style mistakes that might be shrinking your silhouette, and more importantly, how to fix them. Simple tweaks can make you look taller, more balanced, and more confident in your clothes. Let's get started. Number 1. Billowy, shapeless dresses. At first glance, extremely loose and flowy dresses may seem comfortable and stylish, but if the fabric falls aimlessly from just below the bust, these types of dresses can make you look much shorter and shapeless than you actually are. It's as if your body disappears under all that fabric. No defined waistline, no sense of proportion, and unfortunately, that creates a dull, unremarkable appearance. Some dresses can quite literally make you look a foot shorter, and this might just be one of them. That doesn't mean you need to give up on loose dresses altogether, but structure matters. Look for designs that have a gentle seam at the waist, a subtle belt, or a cut that flows with your figure instead of hiding it. These details can completely transform your silhouette, making you appear taller and more balanced. We're not talking about tight fits, but rather shapes that follow and flatter your form. In this case, simplicity and balance are your best friends. If there's already a flowy dress in your wardrobe that you love, you don't have to let it go. All it takes is a little adjustment. Add a flattering belt to bring back some definition, and consider pairing it with heeled shoes to elongate your frame. These small touches can shift your entire look from hidden to highlighted. Don't hide your shape. Celebrate it with thoughtful pieces that work with your body, not against it. Number 2. Voluminous clothes that add bulk. We all love comfort, but when comfort turns into oversized volume, the result can be quite the opposite of flattering. Clothes with excessive fabric, whether it's puffed sleeves, wide skirts, or oversized tops, can overpower your natural frame, especially if you're on the shorter side. The added volume can make your body look wider, shorter, and less structured, and all without meaning to. Extremely loose or wide-cut clothing tends to add unnecessary width, making you appear broader and even slimmer in an unflattering way. The better approach? Opt for garments that work with your shape rather than against it. This could be a shirt with gentle structure, a skirt that follows the natural line of your hips, or even a vest that neatly outlines your upper body. Pieces that frame your figure, without clinging too tightly, will always make you look more polished and proportional. The goal isn't to squeeze your body into tight fits, but to give it the kind of support that lets your height and shape shine. When your clothes gently trace your body's natural lines, they create vertical balance and visual harmony. Number 3. Big, flashy prints that overwhelm your frame. Loud, oversized prints, especially those with giant flowers, bold horizontal stripes, or chaotic patterns, may seem fun and expressive, but they can do more harm than good if you're trying to look taller and more elegant. These prints often dominate your entire appearance, making your body seem smaller and your proportions harder to define. In many cases, they distract from you rather than highlighting you. And let's be honest, they rarely photograph well, especially on a petite frame. Instead, go for smaller, more delicate prints that complement your size and bring subtle visual interest. Vertical stripes, petite florals, and even soft polka dot patterns can elongate your frame while adding a touch of femininity and charm. These types of prints don't overwhelm, they guide the eye smoothly, creating a sense of length and fluidity. You can still enjoy playful or artistic designs, but always opt for those that gently support your silhouette instead of overpowering it. When your clothes align with your body's natural flow, your entire look feels more graceful and composed. Number 4. Baggy, loose-fit pants. Baggy pants might be comfortable, but they often do petite women no favors, especially when the fabric pulls around the ankles or adds extra volume to the hips and thighs. While the oversized look is trending, it can easily disrupt your proportions, making your legs appear shorter and your frame less defined. Without a strong structure or clean line, your entire silhouette risks getting lost in the fabric. If you love the relaxed vibe of loose-fit trousers, try opting for a more tailored version. Mid or high-rise options that gently hug the waist and taper toward the ankle can create a longer, leaner look. A neat waistband, subtle pleats, or a clean crease down the front can do wonders for visually elongating your legs. Choosing the right length is also crucial. Cropped above the ankle or just brushing the top of your shoes works best. You're not giving up comfort, you're upgrading it. The goal is to feel at ease and appear proportionate. Number 5. Tunic tops. Tunic tops might feel like a safe choice. They're loose, they cover everything, and they seem easy to style. But here's the reality. When tops fall too far below the hips and lack any shape, they visually drag your body downward. Instead of creating length, they actually cut your body in half, hiding your natural waist and making your legs appear much shorter than they are. Think of it this way. If your top covers most of your body without giving it any definition, it's not flattering. It's just extra fabric. Instead, try shorter tops that hit right at or just above your hip bone. Choose styles with a gentle taper at the waist or a side slit to create some visual movement. You can even opt for soft wrap tops, belted blouses, or tucked-in shirts that help define your figure. And if you prefer something longer, consider structured vests that taper at the waist. They can add verticality and shape without overwhelming your frame. The key is to wear pieces that highlight your body, not bury it under extra fabric. When your waist is visible and your hemline is in the right place, you instantly look taller and more refined. Number 6. Off-shoulder tops that miss the mark. Off-the-shoulder tops can look feminine and romantic, but only when the fit is right. Many women reach for these tops thinking they're stylish, but when the design is overly voluminous or the sleeves are exaggerated and puffy, it can actually make you look shorter and wider. Especially if the neckline droops and the fabric hangs loosely over the torso, it hides your figure rather than flattering it, disrupting your natural proportions. A more flattering option would be something fitted and streamlined, like the second example. A clean, structured off-shoulder top that gently hugs your upper body helps define your shape, highlights your waistline, and balances your silhouette beautifully. These kinds of pieces are minimal but effective. They elongate the body and add a refined touch to your entire look. When choosing an off-shoulder piece, it's not just about how much skin you're showing, it's about structure, fit, and harmony with your body type. Aim for designs that contour rather than cover, and focus on tops that elevate your shape without overwhelming it. Number 7. Oversized bags that throw off proportions. There's no denying the convenience of a roomy bag. We've all been tempted by totes that seem to carry our entire day inside. But when the bag is too large for your frame, it throws off the balance of your entire look. An oversized handbag, especially one without structure, can overwhelm your silhouette and make you appear shorter or even slouchier. Smaller, well-proportioned bags not only feel more intentional but also help define your overall style. A medium-sized structured bag or a classic crossbody can make you appear more refined and put together. These shapes don't hide your outfit, they enhance it. The bag should feel like part of your ensemble, not a separate piece fighting for attention. If you still prefer a bit of extra space, go for options that are structured and sleek. Think of a top handle bag with clean lines or a compact tote in a firm material. These pieces keep your proportions in check and allow your outfit to breathe, showing off your frame instead of burying it beneath the weight of a bulky accessory. The most important style tip isn't about clothes, it's about how you see yourself. Learn what shapes suit you, which fabrics feel good, and what makes you feel your best. It's not about size, it's about self-respect. When you dress with love for the body you have, elegance naturally follows. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with someone who might love it too. See you next time.